almost a sunset picture of it. The sun's just going behind the hills over there. Look at that dirty one.
There's some people that missed the boat.
They look like people that were working in the shop or something like that. Yeah, my man. Imagination with a lot of haze in the ground. Nice here, hazy there.
Yeah, I see that.
Are we gonna make it to our way to the back of the ship, or are we gonna stay at the front?
Eventually, yeah. I'm still recording, Rich, so watch what you say.
Damn!
See, look at all the construction they got going on in St. Thomas.
That explains the tire.
Yeah.
We couldn't figure out the tire there this morning. But they had tires along these sections here because of the barge.
Oh, and there's that, what's it called, Rich? That place there?
What's the bar, gym and thing, whatever. I forget what it's called. Paradise something or other.
What is it?
Paradise Fountain, is it?
What's there, Rich?
The bar, the gym, the bar, the pool, the bar,
and a gym. What kind of a combination is that? Well, somebody's cheering.
That must be the locals. That's nice.
Wanting to get rid of us, huh?
I'll zoom in on the sailboat.
Let's take a look at this vista. Here comes the pilot boat. This is the front side of the ship now, as we're backing out of our parking space. Check out all the birds. There's a looks like a U.S. military ship, hopefully. It's at the U.S. Virgin Islands, so. And that's pretty much it. I'll show you a little bit of our current wake. And we'll be departing. Yeah, man.